The unwrap function in jQuery allows us to remove the containing element for a set of selected elements. The example we're going to look at is an ordered list in HTML with some list elements, and it also includes an unnumbered list with some list elements there. So we're going to use our unwrap function on the unnumbered list items. So when we look on the page, it's these ones that are currently green, and we're just going to select them and color them red, so that gets us the elements that we're looking for. And then with our second function here, we're just going to run the unwrap function. No parameters, nothing fancy going on there. And that's going to dump those elements back into the ordered list, which will force them to be renumbered. And to reverse the process, we're going to use the wrap all. In this case, I'm going to use another ordered list instead of an unordered list. So what we'll see is that they get pushed into another sublist, this time an ordered one, so we get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to remove the red color there. Now, something to be aware of is that this will just delete the containing element. So basically, if you look at the HTML, it would be the same as going in and deleting this UL. So depending on what you select, you might get different results than what you were expecting. If we use the jQuery first function here, this will have the effect of only selecting the first element. When we run the unwrap on just that first list item, it's going to push all of them back into the containing ordered list, because that UL just gets deleted. So they are all therefore LI elements within the ordered list, and they get renumbered. And when we rewrap them, we're actually going to only rewrap the first one. Now, as another example, let's say we left that selector the same, but we run first here and then unwrap that. We're going to select all three of them. We're only going to unwrap the first one, but they still all get pushed out. And now they all get pushed back into another sub-ordered list. So you can get somewhat different behavior based on how you run your selectors, and you just need to be aware of the fact that it's not going to necessarily pull one element out of a containing element. It's just going to remove the containing element, and that may have some side effects on other elements on your page.